Hello everyone, welcome back to Loklik's channel. Today, we'll show you how to make stunning stickers using loklik iCraft. Whether for personal use or selling stickers, this device has got you covered. Let's jump right in. Open Loklik Idea Studio and start designing your stickers. Upload your design or choose one from the library. If you're uploading a design, select Background Remover. Remove any unwanted color layers. Then select Print then Cut mode after Remove Background. Adjust the offset of the outline. Then, import it into the canvas. If you're using a design from the library, first, add it to the canvas. Then, click Offset to manually adjust the outline. From here, the steps are the same, resize the design as needed. Click Array to adjust the number of copies. You can also modify the spacing between rows and columns. For my design, a 3x3 grid fills the entire sticker sheet. Once you're happy with the layout, click Make. Now, you'll need a printer and printable vinyl sticker paper. Before printing, make sure to place the correct side up. The non-sticky side is the back, and the sticky side is the front. Load the paper into the printer with the front side facing up. Now, your stickers are printed. You'll see registration marks printed on the four corners. Next, let's cut them out with loklik iCraft. The device scans the marks to ensure precise alignment. It cuts each sticker accurately without damaging the design. Look at that, perfect cuts. Use your stickers to decorate anything: bookmarks, notebooks, tumblers, and more. Mix and match different sizes for a more layered, aesthetic look. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and share.